International track star Usain Bolt has finally released photos of his newborn baby with these captivated images. Hi again and welcome. This is the Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the details of this to come on the program. Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who's been naughty and who is being good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities, Links 007 TV is the place to be. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. It's Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Fans of the international track star Usain Bolt has been anticipating the release of photos of his baby. Now the moment is here and they can breathe a sigh of relief after holding their breaths for months now. Just a few minutes ago, Usain Bolt posted some photos on his Instagram account with his newborn baby, and the baby name is Olympia Lightning Bolt. That's the name that Usain Bolt and Casey Bennett has given to their first child. The photos were shared by both parents, captured beautifully by photographer Adrian McDonald and styled by bootleg rock star Nico Kelly. Both McDonald and Kelly have at different points in their career received a nod of approval from Vogue magazine, one of the most publicized magazines in the world. It's not surprising then that Bennett's style team opted for the typical Victorian era set design. On a fashion note, both baby and mom were attired in similar wear, nicely designed by Katie and nicely fashioned. What makes this moment even more special is that Casey Bennett is actually celebrating her birthday today. Usain Bolt in a post on his Instagram said, "What made the reveal even more special was that Casey Bennett celebrates her birthday today, and Daddy Bolt also shared images with the adorable congratulations via his Instagram page." He further went on to state, "I am happy to spend your special day with you. I want nothing but happiness for you, and I will continue doing my best keeping you with a smile on your face," he expressed in a caption. He then ended the caption with a greeting and a cheeky insider, "Love you and happy 21st birthday." In the interim, a number of people also took to social media to congratulate the track star. One individual wrote, "Congratulations Usain Bolt, and I love the name. I saw where people name their babies Rain, Sky, Ocean, etc. So I think the name is perfect, being as your father is an Olympian star. Love it." And that's just some of the posts coming out on social media. We at Links 007 TV just want to congratulate the track star on this accomplishment and also the name of the baby as well, and we wish them all the best in their relationship and their future endeavors. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we're out for now.